Here are what I consider to be the top 10 fidgets for me right now, currently. Number 1 is the fidget keyboard. This one is from Strudel 3D. It's amazing. Number 2 is the Jagger Bear from Jazz's house. This one is literally fantastic. Number 3 is this fidget stick. 4 is the Ono Roller Scroller. 5 is the textured Ono Roller. 6 is this clicky stick. I forgot what it was called for a second. That's why I hesitated. 7 is anything like squishy like this. Like it has like a sugar ball feel. Number 8 is the sand-filled cactus that I got from Funky Fidgets. Number 9 is this yellow visual stem. And finally, number 10 is this watermelon visual stem. And that I also got from Funky Fidgets.